Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing immediate survival so you can progress fast. First, punch trees and craft a wooden pickaxe, then upgrade to stone tools. This saves time and durability. Once done, prioritize food to avoid hunger and craft a bed to skip nights. Make torches from coal or charcoal so hostile mobs don't spawn near your base. Make sure to gather at least 10-20 cobblestone for a furnace and a starter furnace setup. These simple actions set the pace for your run. You're in the grind where efficiency matters. Mine to Y equals 1112 and use branch mining to find diamonds safely. Craft diamond armor and an iron pickaxe for obsidian. Once done, set up an enchantment table with bookshelves to boost gear. Enchant a pickaxe with efficiency and a sword with sharpness. Meanwhile, obtain blaze rods from nether forts and ender pearls via trading or killing endermen. Make an eye of ender supply. Make sure to consolidate resources into chests and prepare a reliable nether portal route. You arrive at the end game with a clear checklist to win. Bring potions, strength, regeneration, and slow falling. Pack 20-30 cooked food, a bow with arrows, and several beds if you plan to bed crash the dragon. Once in the end, neutralize end crystal healers first, use arrows or pillar climbing, and then focus DPS on the dragon. If things go wrong, retreat to a saved bed or portal, resupply, and return. Make sure to place your spawn close so you can recover quickly and try again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.